And good day. Today we're looking at this. It's a Zuccie, stand mixer. It's a model, was it SM1505HL, 1500 watt. It is 220 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. And they've got a few dimensions on it. Not a lot to look on the box. That's about it. And this is everything that came in the box. We've got a scraper, we've got an egg yolk separator, a whisk, dough hook, and a beater. I'll just move the camera a little bit. We've also got a bowl with a handle which just simply fits in like so and locks in place. Very easy to use. On the bottom of the stand mixer you've got 6 rubber suction cups and they really do lock in place. I'll just put it back up. Just put it there for a second and you'll listen to it. It really grips. That's the standard power lead that comes with it, and they give you adapters to match your country. Another very nice feature that the Zuccie stand mixer's got, it's got a cutout. So it will not activate until you've actually got it in the down position. So that's really handy. You've got 6 speeds, and you've also got a plus and minus on the side here, so you can actually set your timer. While it's running, I'll just start it with nothing in here. You've actually got a timer, so it tells you how long the mixer's been running for. You have up here the speed, so it shows you from 0 right through. So it goes right up to 6, and that is really powerful, this motor. And we'll be testing it out shortly. I'm going to make some bread. We'll make a few different things, whip a bit of cream and whatever, and just see how good it is. We're going to be using the actual splash guard, as I need a bit of room for this one. Put on the whisk. And pop that on. We're going to run this for 3 minutes. Let's run the power at level 1 for 3 minutes. And we run it for 3 minutes. So I've got my little bowl. See what it looks like. That looks great. That's the mousse. And we're going to be making some bread, so just pop the bowl in and grab the dough hook, pop it in position. I've already got some yeast started. And we'll see how strong this is, the machine. So let's start it at 30 seconds. Oh, it might help if I turn it on. Where are we? Oh dear, oh dear. Here we go. A couple of beeps to get it started. Then we'll move it up to level 2. You just time it there for 30 seconds. And then once we get it going, it's 2 minutes on the high, isn't it? Or 2 minutes on medium. Yeah, you can, Carly, you can come and do it. Or, yeah, it's 2 minutes after this. So when it gets to 30 seconds, you turn that across a couple of knobs.
How many knobs?
Just Well, it's got 6 speeds, so 2 will make it up to 3. One more. That's it. And you keep an eye on it. You've got a timer there. And
another 2 minutes.
2 minutes. So it's 2 minutes 30 all up.
Put it all on. Put it on. Go for it. Put it in the centre, then spread it. So don't go too far on the sides. That's the only thing. That's it.
Oh, wow.
So you don't touch the sides.
Ooh, nice and thick. My final thoughts for the Zuccie Stand Mixer. I really like it. It's well put together. The motor appears to be very strong. The 6 speeds are adequate. They work perfect. I didn't think I'd use the timer, but lo and behold, I do. I find that absolutely brilliant. It's something I wasn't expecting. The rubber suction cups on the bottom hold the unit in place. It does have a bit of weight to it. I really can't fault it. I've been very happy with it so far, and hopefully it will last many years to come. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. Maybe you've got a different stand mixer. Maybe you've got one that's better than this and you think I should know about it. Please let me know, I'd appreciate that. And I'd also appreciate if you haven't already subscribed, consider doing it. And with a bit of luck, might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.